Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you're welcome back to my channel, okay? You are welcome. If today is your first time here, I promise you a truckload of fun, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting me, okay? Yes. But before we delve into what we have for today, please, as usual, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Ngwan, kaigaba new. In today's video, we are going to look at 20 Igbo words in past and present tense and how they are used in sentences. Okay? Ngwan. Let's start with do, may, did, melu, or melu, or melu. Do it. Meya. Remember, do, may, and ya, it. Meya, do it. Meya, we did it. Anyị melu ya. Anyị melu ya. Anyị melie. Okay? We did it. Anyị, we did melu ya. Anyị melie. Okay? Anyị melie. Do it. You can say meya or menye. Meya or menye. So the next one is go. J, then went. Jelu. J, go. Jelu. Went. Okay? J, go. Jelu. Went. Jelu. Went. J, afia, go to the market. J, afia, go to the market. J, afia, or afia, market. J, afia, go to the market. O jelu oka, he or she went to church. O jelu oka, church. O jelu oka, he or she went to church. J, afia, go to the market. O jelu oka. Okay? Yes. The next one is come. Bia, came. Bialo, came. Bialo, bia, come. Okay? So let's look at this. Bia nka. Come here. Bia nka. Come here. Or bia ebe. Still come here. Bia ebe. Come here. Came here. Bialo. Eba. Came here. My mother came here. Nnem bialo. Eba. Nnem bialo. Eba. My mother came here. Nnam bialo. Onya. Nnam bialo. Onya. My father came yesterday. Nnam bialo. Onya. The next one is dance. Gba egu. Dance. Then the past tense is gbalo egu. Gba egu, the present, then gbalo egu. Okay? We danced. Anyị gbalo egu. Okay? Yes. Dance for me. Gbalum egu. Dance for me. Gbalum egu. Okay? Gbalum egu. Dance for me. Anyị gbalụ egwu. We danced. Okay, now the next one is forget. Forget. Chewuo or chefuo. Forget. Chefuo. Then forgot. Chefulu. 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 Forget. Chefuo. Then forgot. Chefulu or chewulu. Okay? Chefulu or chewulu. So we have chewuo for forget, then chewulu. Chewulu for forgot. So let's look at this. Forget about me. Chewuo makam. Chewuo makam or chefuo makam. Forget about it. Chewuo makie. Chewuo makaya. Chewuo makie. Okay? Chewuo makaya. Forget about it. About maka. It. Yeah. Okay? Chewuo makaya. Forget about it. Chewuo makia. Okay? Then chewuo makam. Forget about me. Chewuo, forget. Maka, about. Then me. Forget about me. Chewuo makam. Forget about me. Chewuo makaya. Forget about it. Okay? O chewulu makam. He or she forgot about me. O chewulu makam. He or she forgot about me. In this sentence, the O has to do with he or she. I have a video on this, but it's on pronouns, Igbo pronouns. I'll leave the link in the description so you can get that video. Okay? So, ochewulu makam, he or she forgot about me. Ochewulu makam. Ochewulu makam. The next one is to think. Think. Che, think. Che, then thought. Jelu. Okay? Jelu. Think about it. Che makia. Che makaya. Che makaya. Remember I told you maka about it. Yeah? So che makia. Che makaya. Think about it. I thought about it. Echelum makia. Echelum makia. I thought about it. Okay? Che makia. Think about it. Echem makia. Okay? Echem makia. I thought about it. Echem makia. I thought about it. So we have che, think. Then chelo, thought. Or che, thought. Che, thought. Or chelo, thought. Okay? The next one is ride. Ride. Nya, ride. Okay? Road. Nyalu. Okay? Nyalu. And ride. Nya. Okay? Drive a car. Nya ubo ana. Nya ubo ana. Drive a car. Nyalu. Ubo ana. Drove a car. Nyalu. Ubo ana. Drove a car. Onyalo ubo ana. He drove a car. Onyalo ubo ana. He drove a car or she drove a car. Onyalo ubo ana. Ubo ana. A car, okay? A vehicle, alright? Yes. Nya ubo ana. Drive the car or drive that car. Nya ubo ana. Drive that car or drive the car. Okay? Onyalo ubo ana. He or she drove the car or drove that car. Onyalo ubo ana. Nya ubo ana. So we have nya and nyalo. Okay? Ride or road. Very good. Now let's look at give. Nye, give. Gave, nyelo, gave, nye, give. Okay? Nyem, give me. Nyem, give me. Nyelum, give me. Nyem, give me. Nyelum, give me. Nyani, give us. Nyani, give us. Nyem, give me. Okay? Nyelu ani, give us. Nyelu ani, give us. Nyelu va, give them. Nyelu va, give them. Nye va, give them. Nye va, give them. Or nye fa, give them. Okay? Yes. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I'm having a lot of distractions today. In my next video, I'm going to give you the remaining Igbo words in the past and present tense I promised you at the beginning of the video. Yes, I hope you learned a thing or two. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Bye. Ngwan, Bye.